Namaskaram, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to the chapter Real Numbers. And now we are moving, dear students, we are moving to the problems based on Euclid's division lemma. If you remind the theory about the lemma that I have been taught, or about the lemma, the definition of the lemma is, it is an statement which used to prove the other statements. We knew about that. So what is Euclid division lemma? If you divide any number a from its lesser number or smaller number b, then you have a equal to bq plus r. There exists q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than equal to r less than b. Similarly, by using that, we are going to prove the other statements. Here, the statement is like, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Now, if I talk about any number divided by 6, we start from 7. Suppose 7 divided by 6, then the remainder is 1. 8 divided by 6, then the remainder is 2. 9 divided by 6, then the remainder is 3. 10 divided by 6, then the remainder is 4. 11 divided by 6, then the remainder is 5. 12 divided by 6, then the remainder is 0. Again, 13 divided by 6, remainder is 1. 14 divided by 6, remainder is 2. 15 divided by 6, remainder is 3. 16 divided by 6, remainder is 4. 17 divided by 6, remainder is 5. And again, 18 divided by 6, remainder is 0. If I say 1 divided by 6, 6 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. 2 divided by 6, remainder is 2. 3 divided by 6, remainder is 3. 4 divided by 6, remainder is 4. 5 divided by 6, remainder is 5, and 6 divided by 6, remainder is 0. So, dear students, if you take any number in the world, any positive number in the world, positive integer in the world, if you take any positive integer in the world and you divide it by 6, either remainder is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Out of that, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are odd. That is you have to prove. Rest are even. Same question can be asked in a manner to show that any positive even integer is of the form of 6q, 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4. How? Let us see. So if I take a equal to 6q plus r, then now I have implied Euclid division lemma. Sorry, not algorithm. We have implied Euclid division lemma for 6 as a equal to 6q plus r. A equal to 6q plus r, where 0 is strictly less than r, less than equal to r, strictly less than 6. Now we will take the cases of r equal to 0, r equal to 1, r equal to 2, r equal to 3, r equal to 4, r equal to 5, and for each case we will check whether it is even or odd. Now, dear students, how to check even and odd? Even number is divisible by 2 and odd number is not divisible by 2. Means if a number is divisible by 2, then it is even, and if number is not divisible by 2, it is odd. And if you divide any number with 2, then the 2 remainders possible, either 0 or 1. If remainder is 0, it is even, and if remainder is 1, it is odd. So even integer is of the form of 2m for any m, or 2p or 2q like, and odd integer is of the form of 2m plus 1. Now first case, if I take r equal to 0, we put r equal to 0 over here. So we get a equal to 6q plus 0, which is 6q. So I can write it in the format of 2 into 3q, and 3q has m for some m equal to 3q. So a equal to 2m over here. When r equal to 0, a can become 2m if we take 2 common. So, and it is even. So in this case, a is what? Even. In second case, r equal to 1, it is 6q plus 1, 2 into 3q plus 1. So this 3q I consider as m for some m. It will be 2m plus 1, and it is odd. If I take the third case, r equal to 2, 6q plus 2, 2 can be common, 2 and 6, 2 can be common, 3q plus 1. Now I put this 3q plus 1 as some m. Now here it is not compulsory, m equal to 3q here m equal to 3q plus 1. No, we are talking about general m, not the specific one. So 2 into bracket, 2 into m is for 3q plus 1. It is even. Again r equal to 3. Now I want to take 2 common. So for that 3, I split it as 2 plus 1. For this 3, we can split it as 2 plus 1. So 2 is common between these two, 6q plus 2. 2 in bracket 3q plus 1 is outside. So it is 2m plus 1 for some m equal to 3q plus 1. So A equal to what? 2m plus 1, where then A is odd. Now the second case, next case, R equal to 4, fifth case, A equal to 6q plus 4. Now 2 is common, 3q plus 2. So this 3q plus 2 can be referred as m. So A equal to 2m over here in this case. So it is even. And the next case, R equal to 5. 5 can be splitted as 4 plus 1, 2 in bracket, 3q plus 2 and plus 1 outside, 2m plus 1. So for some m equal to 3q plus 2, it is an odd. So if I split 5 as 4 plus 1, 2 becomes common, it becomes 2m plus 1, then A is equal to 2m plus 1, this is odd. So at the end, what you will say, from the observations above, at the end, at the last, you will say, from the above observations, we can conclude that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Or if the question is different, it is about even, then you can say that from the above observation, we can conclude that any positive even integer is of the form 6q, 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 4, depend upon question. But the pattern should be same for both of the questions. Means orange question for this. Dear students, please make sure that this concept that I have talked initially 2-3 minutes about 6q plus 1, same will be for 3, same will be for 4, same will be for 5. Only the level of remainder will be ups and downs. Same will be for 8. You just have to think about which b you are going to multiply, you are going to take in A equal to bq plus r. Rest the cases are same. Here, if a question is about odd, then you can take the case 3, case 2, case 4 and case 5 like this. And if question about even, you have to reverse the cases. So please stay tuned with us. Please do the practices that I have given along with the schedule, along with the particular course. You can pause the video and check the answer. Just you need to remind that at last, after completing all these cases, you have to say from the above observations we can conclude that any positive odd integer and the rest things. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.